Do you happen to know exactly when the very first airplane took off? It happened way back on December 17th in 1903, a truly key moment. The famous Orville and Wilbur Wright successfully achieved this incredible feat together. Their amazing plane was carefully crafted using simple materials like wood and also fabric. It flew briefly for just about 12 seconds, only covering a short distance of 36 meters. That monumental flight in Kitty Hawk was truly the beginning of everything in aviation. It paved a clear path for the development of modern jets, powerful rockets, and future innovations. The Wright brothers demonstrated that humans could indeed dream bigger and reach for the skies above.